Imagine owning a piece of the future. A digital economy where games, work, and social life merge seamlessly. Today, I'll reveal the top 3 Metaverse coins you need to buy and hold in 2025 to ride the next wave of innovation. Welcome back to the channel. The Metaverse isn't just a buzzword. It's becoming the backbone of a new digital era. These 3 coins are set to dominate this space, and holding them now could mean massive returns in the future. Watch till the end because the last coin might surprise you. First on the list is Decentraland, Mana. Why? It's the pioneer in virtual real estate, allowing users to buy, build, and monetize land in a 3D world. Big brands like Samsung and Adidas are already investing here. The limited land supply makes Mana a hot commodity for 2025 and beyond. Think of it as digital gold. 1. The Sandbox, Sand. This platform empowers creators to design, own, and monetize their games and assets. Snoop Dogg, Atari, and other big names are part of its ecosystem, making it a cornerstone of Metaverse gaming. With its user-friendly tools and vibrant community, Sand is poised to skyrocket. 3. Render Token, RNDR. This underdog provides decentralized GPU rendering solutions, a critical backbone for creating Metaverse content. As VR, AR, and AI experiences grow, Render Token could become indispensable for the Metaverse's infrastructure. This hidden gem has the potential for exponential growth. If you're new to crypto or looking for a trusted platform, I've included my Binance referral link in the description below. Sign up and get exclusive rewards to kickstart your Metaverse investments. These are my top 3 picks for the Metaverse revolution. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in the crypto space.